Hello, my name is Nic Rossi, and I am in Period 4 of Miss Winter's science class at Stanley Middle School in Lafayette, California. And what I am going to be doing today is I am going to make a homemade lava lamp. It's going to be all 60s in our house and stuff. So step 1 that you need is a water bottle, Mike. As you wish. Gracias. So as you can see, this is a 16.9 ounce water bottle, and it's filled about like a quarter or a third full with water. Step 2, just remove the cap. Not on here because that's a fire hazard. Place a rat in this world. Now step 3. What I need is some olive oil. And thank you. And I am using Star Extra Virgin Olive Oil. And what you do next is, do
you want to do this with a sink?
I don't know. I think I can do it. So, and then I'm trying to, like right here, like this. Okay. And you just fill it to the top.
Can't you make it so it gives out more water? Like olive oil?
Yeah, you have to turn the bottle around. So.
Oh, I see. All right.
Going a lot faster. Careful.
Don't worry. I got this. Man, just putting all this olive oil to such good use. Am I right?
Wrong.
Such good use.
Okay.
Bam, nailed it. And as you can clearly tell, the water is more dense, so that's why it's staying in the bottom, and olive oil is just chilling on top. So let me just put this away. Wow, whoa, this thing is basically empty. We might as well just throw this away. That was like the perfect amount, actually. So I'll put that to the side. What? Okay, so now, step 3. I need some of the food coloring. And I am going to be using... Be careful. Be careful. Okay. Not as you wish.
As you wish.
Okay. So I'm using purple McCormick neon colored food dye. And so what you need is about 8 drops. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, like, look at the food dye just down there, just sitting there, like right on top of the water, but like kind of. Here, Mike, take it. Now, I am using. No, step 7.
4.
Step 7. All right. This is step 7. What you need is, I'm using Well at Walgreens. At first, if pain relief, Alka-Seltzer, and this is also known as sodium bicarbonate antacid. I think that's what it says on here. So what you need is around like 3 is good. All right. So let me just open this. Don't worry. I don't want to like break it. Can I get some scissors up in here? Oh, they're on the ground.
Oh. That's a danger. Here you go. As you
Manners.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, master.
So I've cut this kind of.
I'm no longer going to call you master.
Now, there is the Alka-Seltzer. Right now in this, there are 2. And I don't know exactly how much you need. Will that fit? No, so let's break it in half. So, there's 2 right in here. I wonder why they say 0421. So, should I like break them over the sink, or is it okay if I just break them over right here and then we can clean? There we go. Add up. No. So, number 1, 2, and then there we go. Like, see the, and there it is. And then now, eventually, what's gonna happen is it's gonna take the purple, the purple food dye. Eventually, it's gonna, the Alka-Seltzer's fizz is gonna carry up the food dye all the way up. It's overflowing. Ah, it's purple. And it's gonna come up, and it's purple, and it's purple, and there you go. See, it's kind of like a lava lamp. See all the purple bubbles coming up and around, and wow, that's a lot of purple. And see, it's just like coming along.
I would suggest when you do this at home that you don't put as much water and oil in there.
Yeah. So, okay, now the science behind this. So what happened? So the purple food dye is that down here, and then when you place it in the Alka-Seltzer, it carries up the food dye, and then carries up the food dye and the fizz. And once the fizz is released through the top, the food dye drops back through because it's more dense than the olive oil. And that has been science with Nic Rossi. Oh gosh, that's about to fall. Thank you. Thank you, Mike, for being such a great. There's a little bit more.
That isn't going to do much.
All right. So.
Signing out.
All right. Signing out. This is Nic Rossi, Science with Nic Rossi. Thank you.